In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can get started with affiliate marketing without a website. Now, I'm going to give you, before this is all over with, a 90-day roadmap, actionable steps so you can get started right now. Let's go. Before you start any journey, mindset is always something you should talk about. And when I first started online and when I first started to try to get into this entrepreneurial thing, especially with affiliate marketing, I had to kind of like figure out what was possible. You have so much stuff out there right now telling you you can make $1 million in one day, you can do this and do that. And then it kind of creates this self-doubt. You have to trust yourself. Whenever you really want to do something, you just go do it. And you don't ask a bunch of questions. What I do here and what I've done throughout my entire career is I started to earn and learn. In other words, action. And it doesn't, you hear everybody talking about imperfect action, ready, aim, ready, fire, aim, all of these like cliches or whatever. And it's true. If you just get started, the faster you get started and start failing, the more you'll start learning. You need to fail as much as possible, as soon as possible, and you need to keep failing over and over and over again. Make huge mistakes, learn from those mistakes, and keep moving. There's not one YouTube video or 10,000 YouTube videos that you can watch, or even like paid courses that are going to teach you more than actually getting in there, getting your elbows dirty, rolling up your sleeves, getting your hands dirty, putting in a little bit of elbow grease, and getting it done. I'm going to say that 90% of what you're about to go through is going to be mindset. 10% of it is actually like the physical things that you need to do. Maybe I'm going too far. Maybe it's 85% is mindset. And then the rest of it is like actually learning how to do, build a landing page and, all of these other things. You have to get your head in the game first and realize that you can do this. Don't be cynical. Don't think that it can't be done. Don't look at everybody else and what they're doing. Just pay attention to what you have to do and you're going to win. The next part that we're going to talk about is research. Now, you cannot talk about marketing at all without talking about research. Research, research, research. One of the main things that you're going to have to learn to do is copywriting. So the main core of copywriting is research. It all starts right there. So for the next 30 days, I call it Hell Week, but it always ends up being a month. But I call it Hell Week, and that's why I have a football player there, because when I played football, we called it Hell Week. Before you went into the season, you did all this exercising, and you went crazy and got fit, and to find out who got cut and who didn't get cut for football. Well, that's what the Hell Week is all about. It's going to find out if you're going to make the cut, and you'll cut yourself. Within these next 30 days, you need to do research. Researching your niche is really important. Why it's so important to find out, like let's say you pick a niche, right? And you find out that you want to get into weight loss. You need to find out everything a person that wants to lose weight wants to know. You need to find out what are their deepest, darkest desires. Why exactly do they want to lose weight? It could be for health problems. It could be because they want to, get a mate, a lover or whatever. It could be they want to impress their friends. You don't know why. You need to find out exactly why. And when you do that research and you really dig in and get under their skin, the biggest thing that you could do, the best thing that you could do is actually go talk to people that want to lose weight. Because then once you talk to them physically and you go in their face and you see the pain in their face and the problems that they face, copywriting will be simple because you'll already have talked to them. You'll know what they want. That's the secret to copywriting. Not that these guys are some geniuses and can figure things out. They've done the research. They know what people want. So now the next research you have to do, because we're going to do this all on YouTube. So that's why you don't need a website. You can put your affiliate offers and links and landing pages and lead magnets and everything you need to do right there on YouTube. Today, you don't need a website. You can even do it from Facebook if you wanted to. You can do it from Instagram. It doesn't matter. You don't have to have a website. So YouTube is going to be the platform. I believe the SEO is a lot easier, but you need to go Google YouTube creators and find these dudes that are giving out lots of information on how to do SEO on YouTube and rank videos. And you need to dig in and really find out how to start ranking videos. The next thing I want you to do is sign up for affiliate networks and sign up for more than one. So I have examples here like Commission Junction, JVZoo, and ClickBank. Those are all big places. They've been around for years. They pay. You don't have to worry about that, but sign up for more than one offer. Sometimes one offer may not work, and it could be the same offer. The landing pages are different, or maybe they have different copywritings, but sometimes one offer, even though it's the same offer, will work better on another network. Maybe the pages are faster. Maybe their mobile looks better. Who knows? Whatever it is, sign up for more than one network. And then what I want you to do is you're going to pick your niche, a specific niche, and you're going to stick to that niche. You're not going to do anything else, and you're going to create a brand and get your brand assets. Now, figuring out how to figure out your YouTube channel is go right there on YouTube to those creator channels, and they're going to tell you exactly how to create your brand elements. All of your thumbnails need to look the same, your header, your color coordination, your fonts, a little logo you're going to make. All of that stuff makes sense. Now, before it's all done, there's three things you need to know. The number one thing is smash that like button, hit the subscribe button real quick, man, while we're going through this. And the other two things you need to know is research, and a bonus, research. After your 30 days of research and planning and getting all your YouTube channel set up and figuring out all of your keywords, over the next 60 days, I want you to do one video a day over the next 60 days. If you can get your research done faster, that's cool. But for 60 days in a row, I prefer you spend 30 days planning, doing your research, getting some spreadsheets, really figuring it out, and then start getting your titles, start figuring out your keywords that you're going to use once you learn how to rank. You're going to have 60 video titles already ready to go, 60 tags, and all 60 descriptions already written out. Then start doing one video a day, back to back to back. And then you're going to start to want to drive traffic. Once you start ranking videos, you're going to want to start driving traffic. So you're going to make some landing pages, and you're going to get your offers, and you're going to start putting your offers inside your description and inside the first comment. A lot of people don't do that. I do it. I like to have in that first comment. Some people don't look in the description unless you tell them to, but in that first comment, most people that look down in the comments are going to see that first description, and they can click the links in there. And then what I want you to do is start to learn what your niche really wants. As you're doing, you've already done the research, but now what I want you to do is figure out what they want on YouTube. There's a difference between people that talk on message boards and other research that you're going to be doing, how they talk on Amazon or whatever, on different than the questions they ask on YouTube. And it's really important because you want to know what people on YouTube that are in your niche want to hear. And there's no better way than going to your competition and reading their comments, and people will ask them questions. Case in point, the other day I was at somebody else's channel listening at what they were saying, and somebody said, hey man, and this was on a YouTube ads video, and they asked, hey man, do you have a digital marketing class, a step-by-step? This is the question that somebody asked the creator. I looked at that and said, let me jot that question down. These are questions that I know that some of my people might have. Then what you can do is take that question and see if it's a search term. Most times it will be. If it's a search term, figure out a way that you can have low competition. Download TubeBuddy, and it'll tell you what, if it's a good competition, low competition keyword with high search volume, it'll tell you to go for it, and you can start making videos based upon that as well. But you'll find it out when you do your research. After you start reading your competitors' comments and start figuring out what they want, that will also give you information on lead magnets and what other people and offers based on what the list wants and what YouTube wants. You're going to start figuring out, okay, they want this, they want this, they want a 90-day printout, a kit or a 90-day plan or a 90-day roadmap on how to start affiliate marketing. You can get those created by using Fiverr and other little places. get those created and place them down and start building an email list. And that's where you kind of want to move toward that. But you can always leave your offers in the link in the description and in the comments. But if you want to start, and you should be, and in the next slide, you're going to be finding out about this, you should be trying to build your own asset. So there you have it. That is my 90-day roadmap to riches. If you follow that step by step, get out of your own head, just forge ahead and do what I tell you to do. Do those 1-a-days. You're going to start making your first few dollars with affiliate marketing. If you want to find out how long it's going to take for you to start making some money, click that video right there above, and that video will tell you exactly how long it should take for you to start making some money. You want to start improving yourself 1% every day. That's what I try to do. And you want to learn how to make your own products. Now, I know that that goes against everything that affiliate marketers like and what they say, but the bottom line is, if you have your own product, your own informational product, you can start selling your own product instead of selling somebody else's. And you're going to get to that point once you've been in the niche for a while and you realize that you could do it yourself. You're going to figure out how to write a sales page on your own. You're going to figure out how to get that product created. You'll have somebody else create it for you. You can also do joint venture partnerships, so you can find another influencer that doesn't have your skill set on how to go out there and get people to purchase their products. But since you know how, and you also have the traffic, they will create a product for you, and you guys can come to an agreement on the commission prices and the split and all that kind of thing. And the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to start media buys. In other words, you're going to start buying advertisements to scale up your operation. You're not going to have a business until you start to pay for advertisement. Let me say that again. You're not going to have a business until you start paid advertising. Start scaling up your business by paying for media buys, getting your content out there. It's what I call syndication. You syndicate your channel, you syndicate your videos, and you pay for people to see those videos and get more people to your channel. And that's how you're going to scale up your entire operation. So you don't have to worry about organic traffic, whether you're ranking or not. It doesn't matter. You pay for clicks. They come in, they buy your products, and you go on about your business. And that's how that works. That's what you have right now. That is your 90-day roadmap and beyond to how you can start getting some dough, man. If you like this video, click the thumbs up. Subscribe if this is your first time to the channel. Welcome. And also, man, click that notification so you can get notified when I upload videos. Share this video, man, and comment below. Let me know if you have anything to add to this, or if whatever else that you want to learn that has to do with copywriting, direct response marketing, because this is the #1 place for direct response marketers on the planet, period.